I guess I didn't get scammed. iCube shop unboxing, I guess. Let's just start. Now, if you're gonna ask how much this is, I'd rather not say, but like I'd put it in the title most likely. Also, before you comment on anything, I'm more of a collector than a solver right now. I just like collecting cubes. Let's see what we got. Alright, first off, key bag. I don't have a cube bag. That's why I wanted a cube bag. Guess that's obvious. Cube mat. Again, this is a desk mat or like a mouse pad. I wanted the mat. Key timer cord. I don't have one. I wanted one. So that's useful. 2 PyCube bags. I really like cube bags and it has a PyCube logo. I'm loving this. Let's see. Klotsky puzzle. I'm very excited for this since we have like... Actually, I'm not sure if I'm allowed... I might use this for school. That already sounds weird, but yes. I think, yeah, YJ Yuhu Megaminx pieces. The black pieces. Oh. They gave 2. Okay, that's good. That's nice. There's like cube covers since this is what I use currently. It's not bad, but like, I wanted something fancier, I guess. I'm kind of excited for this. It's a Shengshao clock. I tried the Shengshao in a comp. Specifically the... What was it again? Cavite Speed Cubing Open 5. They made me scramble it and it was a learning experience. RS Cube. I don't have a Cube currently. I mean, I don't have a good one currently. YJ Mini 5x5. I absolutely love the Mini 4x4. I'm not sure if... I mean... It still feels sandy for me. But like, it made me love 4x4, so that's something. Kind of interesting. RS3M V5. Thank God I ordered this after the release. There we go. And then, the main reason why I ordered from PyCube shop, like the actual shop, the MoreTry Tianma. I've been wanting this for so long. I do have like the X2 magnetic version or double, I think. But like, I wanted this. This was my main purpose. So yeah, I guess that's it. We're gonna cut. I guess we're gonna start with this since it's the most basic thing, I guess. I mean, it's a bag. What else could you like ask for? It's literally a bag. Question is, how do I open a bag? There we go. It's a bag. Maybe that's fine. You know, when they said mini version or like the smaller version, I thought it would be like a lot smaller. I mean, I guess that's pretty big. I'm not using this as a background. I'm gonna use it, but like I'm not gonna use it for this. This looks cleaner. Klotsky puzzle, that's something. Wow. Now, I'm not gonna, like... Why does this... Why does it feel so good? It actually feels so good. I'm leaving that there. That's a fun puzzle. I'm gonna have fun with that. Actually, I'm pretty excited for this one. I wanted to see just like how well it compared to key clock. Key. This is my main clock. And this is a shine clock. Yup. I cannot tell if it's turning or not. I mean, no, I can't tell the clicks. Let's do a quick solve, like, fob. It's a clock. I like the pins. It probably is my only comment on this. I like the pins. Moving on. See, I'm not gonna look into the accessory since it's MoU. It feels small. It is small. I don't know how to skew. It's not like I'm actually gonna get into skew, but like, I guess it's a good skew. That's the same size. It is. I don't know how to do 5x5. I don't do 5x5. I mean, yeah, it feels like a 5x5, hardware-wise as well. I'm not gonna bore you with my turns. I know I turn like kind of badly. I don't turn kind of badly, I actually just turn badly. How do you open this? I'm sorry, what? Is this a font? Yeah, yep. Yep, anti-fog lens wipes. Is this 55? It is. It should be. I like this. But like, I really like this. It literally sounds like a screaming child. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this. I also wanted the MS3R, but they didn't have it yet. There we go. Wow, a robot. That's it. Stand there. Kind of tight for me. This feels light. It feels light and kind of like a Melong. Personally, so far, I think I prefer this over the Worm V9 Special Edition, mostly because of the size. Magnets are a little weak for my preference. Since same with this 5-cube edition, it's kind of weak for me. Like for a new cube, that's interesting, especially considering it's slightly more than Dian Guhong V4. I mean, Dian Guhong Pro. I guess that's the unboxing. Most surprising is that definitely this. It feels way too good for, oh my god, for a puzzle. Thank you for watching. I might add in some solves after this. You can't be serious. My first